Hello guys, today's video is going to be iPhone 6 won't turn on repair. The logic board is detached from an iPhone 6 that keeps restarting and cannot be recognized by PC. Let's assemble the phone and test first. Get the logic board assembled and buckle the display assembly. Connect the battery. Press power button to power on. The phone won't turn on. Disconnect the battery. Then connect the battery connector with DC power supply. Press power button to power on. Current reading on the ammeter jumps to 100 mA and then stays still, which is abnormal. The phone might have entered DFU mode. Disconnect the power supply and connect the battery. Then connect the phone to computer with the USB cable. The phone cannot be detected by computer, so we need to check if the USB signal is normal. Disconnect USB cable and disconnect the battery. Detach the display assembly from the phone and take out the logic board. Switch the multimeter to dial mode. Measure test points of USB signal one by one. There is no value measured on TP2521, which is abnormal. Since TP2521 is directly connected to pin A2 of U1700, our initial judgment is that the fault is related to U1700. Attach the logic board to PCB holder. Remove the shielding cover with hot air gun at 330 degrees. Then heat U1700 with hot air gun at 280 degrees. And remove black adhesive around U1700 with sculpture knife, so that with the follow-up chip prying process, components around will not be affected. Continue heating U1700 with hot air gun at 330 degrees. Pry up the chip carefully with specialized knife. Then remove tins on the bonding pad with soldering iron. Meanwhile, remove the residual black adhesive. Apply some BGA paste flux to the bonding pad. Remove tins on the bonding pad with soldering iron for further cleaning. Continue to remove tins with the rosin socket solder wick. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Remove the residual black adhesive with sculpture knife thoroughly. Then apply some BGA paste flux to the bonding pad. Align the new IC to the right place. Tips: put it in the right direction. Solder with hot air gun at 330 degrees. Once done, wait for the logic board to cool for 5 minutes. Then clean thoroughly with PCB cleaner. Connect the battery connector with DC power supply. Short pin 2 of J0801 to the ground with tweezer. The system will then detect power button press. Normal current reading on the ammeter this time. Disconnect the power supply. Get the logic board assembled first. Then buckle the display assembly and connect the battery. Press power button to power on. The phone turns on normally. Fault cleared. Warning tips: get the phone full assembled after confirmation of fault clearance. iPhone 6 won't turn on issue fixed perfectly. And this is our iPhone 6 won't turn on repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.rivatechnology.com. See you next course.